Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at a math SAT question. The question is, if a, b, c, and d are consecutive positive integers, what is the value of I to the a plus I to the b plus I to the c plus I to the d? And those are the choices. To begin, let's write the expression. So we're told that they are consecutive integers. Okay, so the first integer says a. The second integer, consecutive integer, will be just a plus 1. Right? So that will be b. Then the integer after this one is a plus 2. So that's c. Likewise, the integer after this one will be a plus 3. And this is d. So we can replace these values in terms of a. So we have the following. A to the a plus I to the a plus 1 I to the power of c will be to the power of a plus 2 and so on. Okay, so I can factor an I to the power of a from all of this. So leaving 1 plus, there's one I left here, plus I squared plus I to the power of 3. Right, now we just simplify. So we have I to the power of a, 1 plus I. Well, I squared is negative 1. And I cubed, well, that's the same thing as I squared times I, which is negative I. So 1 minus 1 is 0, I minus I is 0. So all of this is 0. So that's the answer. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.